I am Ray Awatin, a Filipino missionary and founding chairman of Tribes in Asia for Christ. Why Tribes in Asia? First, 61% of the world's population live in Asia. Second, of the 4.4 billion non-Christians in the world, over 83% of them are Asians. Third, of the 1,739 unreached peoples group, 1,107 of these were from Asia. Fourth, only 5% of the total missionary forces are reaching the unreached people groups. Tribes in Asia for Christ, or TAC, is reaching the unreached tribes in Asia for Christ. Tribes in Asia is the most responsive people to the gospel, and yet they are one of the unreached people groups. Why? Because they are living in tropical jungles where there are Muslim insurgents, communist guerrillas, and bandits. Aside from being infested by insurgent groups, they are in malaria-infested area. TAC is presently working with the Karenni tribes of Burma. 4 decades of repressive military rule have isolated the nations of Burma and brought it to destitution. All Protestant and other missions organizations were expelled in 1966. Officially, Buddhism is no longer actively the state religion, but the military regime actively promotes it. Theoretically, there is a freedom of religion, but because Christianity is very strong among restive tribes, there is mass discrimination against Christians. Today, thousands, if not millions, are seeking refuge along the Thai-Burma border. An open door opportunity for us to minister to them. TAC is also working in Cordillera region of North Philippines. 2.8% of our population are tribal, and most of them are in northern Philippines, where unreached animistic people dwells. TAC is committed in reaching them through mission and evangelism, training, church planting, medical mission, educational and livelihood programs. Tribes are timid, primitive people of the forest, the builder of Asian nations. By 20 years of working with them, they become integral part of my life. Will you join hands with us in reaching the tribes in Asia for Christ? For more information,
address is P.O. Box 4500 MCPO 1285 Makati City, Philippines. Our email address is tribesasia@yahoo.com. Our contact number 632-817-1718 or 63-0917-535-4085, or you can open our website www.tribesinasia.blogspot.com.
and God bless you.